I wanted to check in because look at this cute little tapestry I got. Shout out to iEDM. It's so cute. I feel like I'm still trying to figure out where to put it. I think I kind of like where it is, but it's so beautiful. I love colors. As you can see, my wall is pretty fucking colorful. My sister's room is just the complete opposite. Like, she comes in here and she's like dizzy just being in here for some reason. I don't know why. They gave me this, but they also gave me this cute ass fucking blanket. It has a little hoodie on it. So cute. This is a little hood. I can't wait to use this in the winter whenever it gets cold, because I feel like this is perfect to take around. So I'm always moving around. I'm always traveling. And I'm just really obsessed with fucking colors. As you can see, literally so much colors. Thank you guys so much. I literally appreciate this. And they gave me some diffraction glasses, which I'm gonna take to Lollapalooza. Oh my god, let me see if it shows through the camera. Ooh! I actually had ones that look exactly like this, but they got kind of busted. Let's see if it shows. I can't wait to test these out, honestly. Oh my god, you can kind of see it.